How to fix Apple TV Plus black screen. First, if you are seeing any kinds of black screen while you're watching any kinds of shows or movies, what you want to do is you want to simply close the app completely over here. After that, you want to simply check for internet connection. You want to simply check for your updates over here as well. You can simply open your app store over here, search for Apple TV over here and tap on search, and if any kinds of update is available on App Store, you want to simply update your app from here and open the app again, and you want to simply open your movie again. However, if you are seeing this problem on your Apple TV, you want to simply if you are seeing this problem on your smart TV, you can simply check for the HDMI connections, or if using an external device is going on, you want to simply close and reopen the Apple TV application on that device as well. You can simply change your casting devices over here as well to check it, and by doing so you shouldn't be having any kinds of black screen problem while watching show on Apple TV. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.